In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the missing toolbar in Tradingview. If you've been using Tradingview for your charting and analysis, you know how essential the toolbar is for drawing, customizing, and annotating your charts. But sometimes that toolbar can mysteriously disappear, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and it's usually caused by a simple setting or a minor glitch. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your toolbar back and ready to go. Let's dive in. First, open Tradingview in your browser or app, whichever method you typically use. It's important to start here because display glitches, such as a missing toolbar, can sometimes be tied to issues with your browser cache or app functionality. Using your usual access method ensures we're troubleshooting in the environment you're most familiar with. Next, if you haven't already, refresh the page. This might seem like an overly simple step, but refreshing can often resolve minor display issues caused by temporary glitches. It's always good to start with the basics before diving into more specific settings. Now, locate the menu bar at the top of your Tradingview screen. This is where we'll begin navigating toward the settings that will help us fix the missing toolbar. Once you've found the menu bar, click on the Products tab. Tradingview has recently updated its interface, and many settings and features are now grouped under this section. This makes it easier to find what you need, though it may take a little getting used to if you're returning after a break. Next, head to the top left corner of the window where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This opens up access to your account settings and customization options. From here, we're going to look for a specific setting that controls the visibility of the toolbar. Now, search for the setting labeled Enable Drawing Panel, depending on your version of Tradingview. This may be located under submenus like Chart Settings or Interface. Take your time here, as it might not be immediately visible. If you don't see it right away, keep exploring the submenus until you find it. Once you've located the Enable Drawing Panel setting, check whether it's turned off. If it's disabled, go ahead and enable it. This action should restore your toolbar to the side of your chart. Keep in mind that after enabling this setting, the change may take a moment to process, especially if you're working with a slow internet connection. So don't worry if you don't see the toolbar appear instantly. If the toolbar doesn't show up right away, refresh your chart once more. This additional refresh ensures that the new setting is applied correctly and resolves any lingering display issues. Finally, verify that the drawing tools and icons are now visible on the side of your chart. This is the moment of confirmation that the toolbar has been successfully restored. If everything looks good, you're all set to start using your drawing tools again. If you're new to Tradingview or don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore all the platform's features. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.